What's up, everybody? Today we're doing something a little different. Well, not really. We're actually going to cover the kayak storage. Hold on, don't judge me. We're going to cover this. Something that I suspect will greatly increase the visual appeal of the backyard. So, yep, it's just easier to take the whole thing off the wall than to unravel it. It's okay. It happens to a lot of men. Good enough. Yeah. Oh, wet. No, wrong way. Alright, next step is to get the miter saw out, set up. I built a new table for it, which I'm excited to use, so that's what we're gonna do. I should probably screw those down. Now, I set this table up like this for a couple reasons. One, it was really cheap, as in pretty much free. I got all this timber from old fence posts. I also wanted to use as little timber as possible. And also, having this space right here allows me to make a jig for my circular saw, my hand saw, to turn it into a table saw. That way I can just drop it right on there. I've got a steady surface, and it's good to go. My handsaw will be down in here, and so it makes this multifunctional, fluid dynamic. There we go. Pretty easy stuff. Set up, ready to give. I don't know what to do next, so subscribe. Okay, it's pretty heavy. I'm not too worried about it being level. Am I? Well, there's a rock over there. It's on level over there. So we're going to measure to this, and then we'll go from this way. Maybe this side doesn't need to be picked up, but that side needs to be put down. Huh? Yeah. 37 inches. So sounds like my neighbor's doing some work too. Anyway, let's test this out, see if it's going to do a good fit. It's a little taller than I'd like. However, when we put the top on it, it's going to come out to about even with the top. So, do I want it like that, or do I want it to be like that? So we're going to roll with this, see what we can do about it. Time lapse. What I found. That's pretty neat. How neat is that? Cool. I don't want to hurt the little dude. We'll just save this one for last, just in case. nature. Alright, so I figure we'll go ahead and just start putting them on. So we got about 6 of them cut out. See how that looks, see if we need to make any adjustments. Got the time lapse still going, so we'll just keep on with that. Alright, so one thing I noticed is some of them, because it's unlevel, some of them are longer than others. So what we're going to do is I'm going to take off the long ones on the low end and put them on the high end. Take the short ones off the high end and put them on the low end to kind of minimize and try to even out that space underneath of it. I know, I'm a terrible craftsman, but it'll look okay in the end. Promise. Check this out. Ta-da! Would you just look at that? Would you look at that? We may put one down on the bottom. What next? Oh, I got a splinter. Now it's just time to do the top. Yep, so we gotta get all this stuff off of here. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna screw them down, because if I wanted to cannibalize it or whatever, easy access. So. However, oops, there is a need to mark and trim, and I done made a mess. Part of being a good craftsman is efficiency. I haven't been doing that long enough to really know my system. But I did learn this cool trick today. Figured it out all by my lonesome. Okay, lined up, squared up. Let's see if it fits up. Like a glove. It's beautiful, really. Okay, so this is why I need that table saw, Jake. The channel is not sponsored by DeWalt. However, DeWalt, if you're listening, watching, whatever, you know, I wouldn't say no. That'd be pretty cool of you. So I got the fence post and lumber for the table and yada yada. So, let me show you what we're gonna do. Figure out a way to deal with this. Obviously we can't go all the way down to the kayak. Kayak's longer than 8 feet. We could probably go, because it kind of curves. It bows in the middle, sticker in the middle. I want to be able to slide it out. So we may just like come down to like here. Right? Let's measure that out. You know what? I think a foot will be good. We can get 6. I learned this from watching Jimmy DiResta. Son of a gun. We're gonna have to measure it from the other side. knows, man? That's good stuff. I want to do this side first. Because that's the side you're going to see the most. And just in case I run out of wood, a little Bobby Duke reference there. Yeah. He's a fellow Texan. And that's going to be an issue. Of course, that's what's going to happen because I want it to. Actually, that fit rather well over that pipe. So, yep. I'll do the other side. I've made a freaking mess. I've made a mess. So messy. Alright everybody, I think that's going to be it for today. It's a little janky, but here's the thing. First glance, it looks fine. This is a temporary house. This is a temporary thing. I got to use my new chop saw, my new chop saw table. That thing worked out great. I got to learn a lot about how to use my tools, how to take measurements properly, and just about the process, how to move my hands. That's a big thing. And so, yeah, that's it. Yep. Yep. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, toss us a subscribe, a like, throw your ideas down in the comments. Tell me what I did right, tell me what I did wrong, tell me how I can improve, because I do want to be the best that I can. I know it's janky, I'm a janky kind of guy, but we'll get better and we'll get there. Thanks for watching, and you guys be good, be blessed, and peace out. Our little friend's gone. I don't know what happened to him. Oh well, go be safe.